So, it's sad to hear that the GM plant in Oshawa is closing down. About 3,000 jobs gone there in a year or so, as well as probably 20,000 total at the stamping plants and all the other places. But anyway, I had the idea. If all of our jobs are leaving Canada, why don't we build a Canada car? Kind of like the old Volkswagen Beetle. You know, a car made in Canada for Canadians. Doesn't have to be fancy like a Ferrari. I mean, we want it to survive our Canadian winters. That's what we need here, not some car that's designed for Arizona. So, regards to that, certain standard features like heated seats and those little wipers on the headlights would be a good idea, or spray nozzles on the headlights because they get snowed over and you can't see anything. Also, steel rims don't need aluminum, they just rot with the salt. And an oversized heater. I know some cars I own don't seem to get a lot warm when it's minus 30 outside. Four-door car would be more practical than the two-door. Main reason for this would be let's just put some Canadians back to work. Like we seem to have lots of engineers out there that can't find jobs in the field, and designers, and also keep the places they're building parts for GM right now, stamping the steel, and machinists, assemblers, designers, others, put them back to work, work for a company that they can get behind and support Canadians. And then of course us as Canadians who need to buy those cars, like I say, they're not gonna, they might not be the best looking car on the block, but at least they would be practical transportation, and you're supporting your fellow Canadians at the same time. So that's just my thoughts. Let's try to get some Canadian spirit going in the auto industry. Everybody have a good one.